Barbara, my name is Bob Janda. I'm with Hunter Lab, and the reason we're doing a video is because Hunter Lab is raising their prices the end of this month, 3%, and I wanted to make sure that you had as much information that I know about your product and the recommended instrument for you, such that if you want to place the order before the end of the month, you can take advantage of the current prices without the anticipated 3% price increase. We've gotten all of the bottles that you sent to us, and we have no problem measuring any of the bottles. If you take and look at inside of the bottle into the light, you will find that there is a spray like that. So we're recommending that you take your color measurements at the base of each one of these bottles. We had no problem measuring any of the bottles. We then took a look at the cap, and if you take a look at the cap, there's a raised font. So in order to read in between all of the raised letters, what I did is I selected the Hunter Lab Small Area View model MSEZ 4500S. This is the smallest aperture instrument that we have. It's a portable unit. It comes with a hard case. It comes with rechargeable batteries and a white calibration tile, a black calibration tile, a green diagnostic tile to make sure the instrument's running okay, and it is totally self-contained. To operate it, all you do is there's a lightning bolt here. You push that lightning bolt, and basically you go to the main menu, and I'm just taking a reading right here. If we want to take a reading, again, we want to read down in this area or this area, and what we do is we just simply put the instrument in contact with where we want to read, and then push the button, and the instrument beeps, and it says that this color is an L value of 73, an A value of 1.95, and a B value of 8.41. Now what that means is that the L is lightness darkness, with 100 value of L is equal to a value of pure white, 0 is equal to black, a positive value of A is red, a negative value of A is green, a positive value of B is yellow, and a negative value of B is blue. So we've got 73% white, about 2% red, and about 8.5% yellow. So that is, and if you take a look at this from a logical standpoint, you'll say that's about right where it is in color space. I'm recommending this instrument for your application. I did run into a problem when I started measuring the tops of these caps. The cap has an insert in it, and so what I did is I took and I read in this area here, and I got a lot of different values as we moved around. So I took the cap apart, and it consists of an inner liner, a thread that is pushed in, and then we get down to the cap itself. If you hold this cap up to the light, it looks like it's a Mercedes star, and on each one of the legs of the star it's dark. So in order to measure the cap, you'll have to take it apart and put the insert with the white side down, and then take a reading, and I got good repeatable. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. The other instrument that you may need is a glossmeter. If you take a look at the sheen or the gloss between these bottles, in order to have a good appearance, you need to have the same gloss level. This instrument will essentially not be able to tell the difference between gloss. So we have a higher gloss here and a lower gloss here. This is a gloss meter, and if we just simply put it in contact it reads about 126 gloss, and this one is 175 gloss. So the difference is about 50 gloss units between these two, and it's obvious as far as being able to tell that difference. So what we're recommending is the Hunter Lab Mini Scan, a 60 degree gloss meter. So altogether what we're looking at is about $7,500 here, about $1,500 here, about $1,400 here. And so that is the total. We are not raising the price on the gloss meter. We are raising the price on the spectrophotometer. And I wanted to get this information to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My telephone number is 410-263-2223. Thank you.